In this lesson, we're going to learn how to add decimals followed by 10 problems that go from easy to hard. Let's look at the first example. Try to add 0.5 plus 0.2. So the first step you need to take is you need to line up the decimal points. So let's see the decimal points. Now let's go ahead and let's line up these decimal points. Let's rewrite 0.5 plus 0.2. Now we add from, first we need to add 5 plus 2. If we add 5 plus 2, that's 7, and bring down your decimal point, and 0 plus 0 will be 0. So your first answer is 0.7. Here's another example. Try to add 1.4 plus 2.3. So you need to line up the decimal points. So let's rewrite 1.4 plus 2.3. Let's add these two numbers. Let's add 4 plus 3, that will be 7. Bring down your decimal point, and 1 plus 2 will be 3. This is your answer. The problems will start to get a little harder. Try adding 3.75 plus 1.25. So first you need to line up these numbers. Let's line up 3.75 plus 1.25. Alright, let's go ahead and let's add 5 plus 5. It will be 10. Carry the 1. 1 plus 7 is 8, plus 2, that will be 10. Carry the 1, bring down your decimal. Now 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. Now we have 5.00. So basically this means 5. Now try to add 0.06 plus 0.009. So the first thing you need to do is line up these two numbers to these two decimal numbers, and now here is a step you need to take. Add zeros to match decimal places. So let's match this decimal place. Let's add a 0 to match decimal places. Now we can go ahead and we can add these two decimals. 0 plus 9 will be 9. 0 plus 6 will be 6. 0 plus 0 is 0. Now align your decimal point, and your final answer is 0.069. Try to add 5 plus 6 plus 4.39. So let's line up the decimal numbers. 0.439. Alright, you need to add a 0 to match the decimal places. So let's add a 0 here, and that makes it much easier to add. 0 plus 9, that will be 9. 6 plus 3, that will be 9. Decimal point. Now 5 plus 4, that will be 9. So your final answer is 9.99. Okay, so the problems are getting a little bit harder. Here's this other one. Try to add 10.07 plus 0.935. So let's line up these numbers. 10.07 plus 0.935. Okay, so we have empty spaces. Let's put a 0 to match the decimal places. Now let's add 0 plus 5, that will be 5. 7 plus 3, that will be 10. Carry the 1. 1 plus 9, that will be 10. Carry the 1. Bring down your decimal point. Now 1 plus 0 plus 0, that will be 1. Bring down the 1. So your final answer is 11.005. If this video is helping you, let me know down in the comments. Let's keep practicing. Problems will start to get harder. Try this one. Try to add 23.1 plus 19.456. So let's go ahead and let's line up these decimal numbers. 19.456 0.556. So whenever you see empty spaces, the best thing is to match the decimal places, just fill in with zeros. Now you can go and add. This will be 6, this will be 5, this will be 5. Bring down your decimal point. 9 plus 3, that will be 12. Carry the 1. 1 plus 2, that's 3 plus 1, that's 4. So your final answer is 42.556. Here's another problem. They will start to get harder. 7.03 plus 0.408 plus 2.5. So it looks intimidating, but you simply have to line up these decimal numbers. Always put the decimal first, then just write down the numbers. Decimal, and this is 2.5. Now fill in with zeros so that you can match the decimal places. We need a 0 here, 0 here, and another 0 here. Now let's solve. This will be 8, this will be 3, 5 plus 4, that's 9. Bring down your decimal point. 7 plus 2, that will be 9. So your final answer is 9.938. Try to add this one. 1.05 plus 0.89 plus 0.911. Well, let's line up these two numbers. Let's line up 105.089 plus decimal point. We have 0.911. Also, if you want, you can go ahead and fill in with zeros here on this side as well. Now let's add 9 plus 1, that will be 10. Carry the 1. 8 plus 1 plus 1, that will be 10. 1 plus 9, that will be 10. Bring down your decimal point. 1 plus 5, that will be 6. Bring down the 0 and bring down the 1. So your final answer is a whole number, 106. Now try this one. This is a little challenging. 13.478 plus 296.2 plus 0.0004. So let's line up these decimal numbers. 13, let's rewrite it one more time. Point, let's write 296.2 point 0.0004. Let's go ahead and fill in with zeros the empty spaces because it will make it easier to add. 0, 0. Alright, so we are ready to solve this problem. Let's go ahead and let's add. See, this will be 4, this will be 8, this will be 7, this one over here will be 6 point, this one will be 9, this will be 10, carry the 1, and this will be 3. So your final answer is 309.6784.